I want to welcome everybody to the Main Street Planning Group Life Insurance Forum. For those of you who don't know who Main Street Planning Group is, we're an independent wholesaler in New York. We represent 30 different companies in New York, outside New York, and COVID and the times have brought many changes to our industry, as we all know. Earlier this year, besides COVID, our business has changed because of COVID quite a bit. Section 7702, which allows more money into policies. Low interest rates have prevented and made carriers kind of leave the market. We have a lot of turbulence in the New York market alone, with John Hancock leaving part of its portfolio, Lincoln, because of regulations, leaving New York temporarily. Hopefully they'll be back. Principal leaving on a limited state, a lot of their life insurance products. So we're in a state of flux. And not only are we in a state of flux, but for those of you that have represented MetLife or ING or even William Penn, many of the carriers are Penn Mutual that have left the market. We're finding that we don't have products to convert to, or they're very expensive to convert, and the privileges are limited, commissions are limited. So all these things are very important. With the rise of COVID, we had one other thing that has happened, and it's progressively happening quicker and quicker. You're seeing a lot more ads on TV for Policy Genius or Select a Quote or some of these online mechanisms. And all their advertising is price. And as we know, a product is only as good as when it comes time to pay claims. So if they're just advertising price and you can't convert it and you can't do this, there's a big problem in the marketplace. So I caution you not to do what their online people are doing, just advertise price, because it's very important to know the other features that the carriers have, whether it's convertible. And not only that, that people that have bought these policies online have found that many of them gotten declines because they don't have Main Street Planning Group or advanced underwriting ahead of time. And they may have a high calcium score. We had a client last week, had a high calcium score, was a decline. Now they've got an MIB hit, yet we have other carriers that will take this client because they've lost weight. They've done a lot of good things and positive things. But doing the online applications is not going to get you that kind of underwriting that you're going to get with Main Street Planning Group. So our expertise is in advanced case design and underwriting, knowing who the players are. And today's meeting is about carriers that have withstood the storm, that are in New York, working very hard to keep providing product and keep providing solutions.